If you have ever wanted to recommend product in a clean, organized way, kit.com makes it simple. In this beginner tutorial, I will show you how to use kit.com to build product kits, share them with your audience, and even earn through affiliate link. By the end, you will know exactly how to set up your first kit and start sharing online. But first of all, let me just explain you what is kit.com. It's a platform where you can group products together in collection called kits. These kits can be shared on online media, social media, YouTube, or your own website. Makes it easy for your followers to discover their tool or resources you can recommend. So first of all, just go to this official website kit.com. On the top right side corner, you can see here start free trial. Click on it and then you have to make an account. Use your email address or Google account or Gmail or Microsoft account to create an account. Once you have done, this is where people will see all the kits you have built. You can add photos, short bio, and links to your website and social account so it feels personal and connected to your brand. Now let's create your first kit. First of all, here on the top right side corner, you will see this option of start writing. Click on it. You will find this options, this pre-made templates. You can go and use it. And here you will find this option of starting point. Now here you can see these are some of the stories, and for example, I like this one. So I will just go and click on it. And here I will carefully draft some bio information about me. So this is a pre-made template. You are completely have full freedom to edit this out. And once you have done this, just go and click on preview. Now this is how it's going to look like. Now in this way, you can create newsletters and you can send it to your subscribers. And here you can test it by sending it on in your own email, and you can see this preview. This is how it's going to look over email, and this is how it's going to look over web, and this is how it's going to look over in your phone, right? So pretty much simple and easy thing. Now once you have done this, just go and click on continue, and here click on continue to share, and you can send email. Now here you can add your subscribers, right? I will also show you a method where you can add a lot of subscribers at once. You can also import your subscribers details, or you can just publish to your website, to your landing page. I will also show you how to create your own landing page. You can add a thumbnail, and once you've done this, click on continue, and then it will automatically get shared. In this kind of written stuff, a newsletter, you can share your affiliate link, and you can also earn from there. So here on the top menu, you will find a lot of options. There's a grow. Here you will find subscribers, creator profile, landing pages and forms, and recommendations. We will go one by one. Here this is sent. You can, for example, here we are going to create a broadcast. Here we will able to add our subscribers, email address to manage our audience. This is automate, so it's a time of AI, so you can automate a lot of stuff here which you don't need to do manually. This is online. You can add products, payouts, tips, and the last option is learn. So obviously there's a you can, if there's a new features coming out about kit.com, you can learn it directly from here. Let's go one by one here. So let's go to our subscribers. Here you can see this is subscribers. So to send any kind of newsletter or to spread out, to market it out, we need our own audience. So if you have, then just go and click on import CSV. As you can see here, I have some of this email and I want to upload it here. So I will just go and click on import CSV. I will drag that file. Once you have selected that file, just go and click on next. You can upload more than one CSV file if you want. And here, let's select it. So here it will give an option, select or create a column. So I want to copy the email. Now click on next. Now here you can add tags, forms and sequence. I don't want to do anything. Automatically it will start importing. And here you can see it's done. So let's click on got it. Now here you can see these are the emails which I just uploaded. If you want to add a single email, you can also do it. So just go and click on add subscribers, click on one subscriber, add the name and the email, and then it's done, right? So it's pretty much easy from here. And so this is a way to add subscribers. Now here the next option is creator profile. Obviously you want to share your profile, so you can share it from here. So this is my profile. Here I can add pages. Inside that pages, I will just write, for example, I want to create about us, and click on add. And here I will write about us, my page. so that I can share this for, let me show you. This is how it's going to look over in mobile phone. This is how it's going to look over PC, a laptop. You can customize it if you want. And this is called open. So let me show you how it's going to look over web. And automatically you can collect emails from your subscribers, from your audience, right? And just go and click on publish. Now once you share this URL, so for example, as you can see here, I have a URL. You can also add your own domain if you want. So filexexpresskit.com profile, you can share it to create it. I mean, you can share it to your audience for your creator profile. Now this is landing pages and forms. This is really important, so let me show you how you can create your own. First of all, there's landing page and there's a form. There are two types of it. What is a landing page? Whether you are ready to deliver a product, promote or upcoming project, or tell your audience about yourself, landing pages are the best way to share your ideas with the world. What is a form? So create a great first impression by embedding a form from anywhere on your website, sales page or web page that you host yourself. So let's go and click on create a landing page. You will find a pre-made landing pages template. You can use them or you can also start from scratch. So for example, I will just go with the one. So I'll find this one very simple. This is also cool. So I will just go and click on preview. Now here, this is my title, right? So for example, I like this one, this format. So I can just go and click on choose. And now I will have the complete access to edit this. For example, I want to give unlock your full potential with smart growth tools. This is my main title and this is my heading. And then I will add a complete information. So I have added my complete information here. Sign up today, and I don't want to add any kind of a new information here. And my audience, once they like my newsletter or my landing page, whatever information I'm providing them, then they can give their email address and click on sign up today. So I would to have a same color. If you want to change a color, you can change it directly from here. So it's completely up to you. For example, I like this one much better. If you want something else color, you can also do this, right? So this is very simple to do. Same way you can edit everything. If you want to add a new section here, right? So for example, I want to add here, I can just go and click on plus. I can add an image file button. There's a lot of options, right? So pretty much easy. Once you're okay with it, just go and click on publish. So in your kit, so this is a link. Now if I just copy this link and paste it in a new tab, and let's see how it's look. So this is how it's going to look like. Now I can share with my audience and they will pretty much like it. Let's move to the next thing, that is called recommendations. So this is a very new feature. So here you can reach new subscriber through powerful recommendation. So it's a best way. I mean, it's a not best, but yeah, it's a good way to grow my audience here. So as you can see here, a lot of creators use kit.com and they have their own recommendations. So just for example, I want to check this one. Now here you can see helping women over 40 get the energy, skin, hair and youthful glow. So okay, that's in health. I will just go and click on join and recommend. Now let's say choose your creator type. Let's say I'm a chef and click on next. You can select more than one. Then it will ask you some kind of topics. So it's like a social media, but only for newsletters. So this is my profile. You can customize it. Now click on next, next. All right, a profile picture is required. Just for example, I will upload a unsplash. It means a free image and click on next. So in this way I can create my own, and now more creators can discover me and recommendations made successfully. So now they can join me and I can write and I can share whatever newsletters, whatever products and services do I provide. Here you can see, for example, I will just go and click on recommend. So it's recommending. I can view their profile and I can get inspired and I can just create my own. So this is a real powerful thing. Now here, this is called my recommendation. So you can recommend to your audience, and these are the creators which are similar to my niche, and all the subscribers which I will have, which I will cater from kit, will able to find it here, right? And I can just write articles and send them more articles. Now this is a broadcast. So broadcast, it means send an email to someone. So whatever newsletters or we are writing, we can send it to their new email. Let me show you how to create a newsletter. So first of all, we have already created. So let's get back. And this is a new broadcast here. I can change it and I can send it to my subscribers, my emails, right? So let me just open it up, click on continue. Okay, it's fine. Click on continue to share. Now this is my email. So this is my email. This is what my subscribers will see. And by default, it has selected all subscribers, but I can just go and click on add filter, and I can just go and choose specific one, right? So for example, choose any, and I can just add a filter group if I want. And then I can upload a thumbnail here, and then I can send it to my subscribers, the emails which I've just added. Right now, this is called email templates. Now, you can also customize how your email templates look like, which we have already shown you, but yeah, it's completely up to you how you want to go with. Now, you can create sequence, so you can create multiple emails that are sent in order. So, for example, if you are running 2 3 email, and you have a 2 3 different kind of niche audience, then you can do it, and you can do it from directly from kit.com single-handedly. These are called snippets. So supercharge your email with reusable blocks of content. So you can say that, for example, if you have a very long newsletter and you provide in detail information, so you can create snippets and you can share snippets, right? So it's like summary type. Let's come to the automation here. So you can create visual automation. So it's a paid feature, but automation is just like you can create, for example, you can create a very small task which you don't need to do it yourself. Automatically it will happen. So you just it's like a Zapier, or it's like anything. Same way you can create apps, and at the same time you can create rules. So for example, if your user have clicked on this, and it should happen if that, then so you can create automation rules. So this is a visual, and rules are very similar to it. And this is RSS, so you can automatically generate emails, or you can share your RSS. If you don't know about it, just let me know in the comment section. I will just make a separate video on it. Now there's a one more features which is kit.com is used widely, that is a product. Now you can sell product, you can sell digital product. Now, hey there, commerce isn't available yet in your country, but you can create, you can add your own product, and it's as you can see it, I think still it is in beta phase, but you can sell your products. For example, if you're sharing newsletters to your audience, you can also add the products, and they can buy the products, they can pay for it, right? For example, if I just go and check out any of the newsletters of this guy, then here I can just read. So let's go to the post, and here they can share. For example, this is one of the newsletter, and here they can share one of the product to me, and maybe if I like, I can buy it directly from there. And this is called tips. So if your audience like you so much, then they can tip you. It's like a gift. And this is payout. So whatever money you're earning from products and tips and recommendations, then you will obviously receive money, and you can check everything directly from here. So to do that, you have to first of all set up your payment, because you cannot accept it. You just need to add your payment gateway. It could be Stripe or PayPal, whatever it is. So to add it, you can select individual or company. So here I'm going to select individual here. Now click on continue, and it's not available, but in your case, maybe if it is available, let me know in the comment section, and you can add through Stripe, PayPal, or LaserPay, whatever it is, right? So this was the entire information about kit.com. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.